Good morning, America. Live from northern New England, coastal southern Maine. This is Frank Margell, and it is about 8:45 a.m. in the morning. This is a freelance video, and you will find it at Frank Margell at youtube.com. Go right ahead and send me a comment if I strike a chord with you today. Today is Wild Wednesday, March 22nd, the third day of spring here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, Portland, Maine. I'm up on the corner of North Street and the fashionable Eastern Promenade. Portland is a peninsula. It's surrounded by three sides are surrounded by water, and it is wicked cold today. I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. I am out here in the public domain sharing my comments and views with you. This is also a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And I wanted to update y'all. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube page, and thank you for the comments. As a matter of fact, there's a couple of comments I will be responding to today. Thank you very much once again for all the upbeat comments and shares. I do appreciate your time in doing so. Let's take a look around here at Back Bay, and I'll update you on what's going on with my topic of discussion. It is wicked windy. The morning commute, that's 295 down there, is anything but arduous. The traffic is flowing at a real healthy pace. It's about 8:45 a.m. in the morning. Third day of spring, right here in Portland, Maine. This video is day 6, no talk radio in Portland, Maine. And I'm on my 6th day without any talk radio. Imagine that. I'm on a 30-day vacation. I wanted to continue with this commentary that I've been sharing with you. We started at day 1, and here we are on day 6. Before we get to some of that discussion, I would like to share with you, it took me about 8 minutes this morning to get some vital information off the internet. And one of my favorite places to go is the National Weather Service. And there is a wind advisory today. It's about 35 degrees in overcast clouds, mostly cloudy skies. There's a little break in it. But the wind is gusting, and we could see wind up to 45 miles per hour. But let me share with you what I got from the National Weather Service today for March 22nd, 2017, the third day of spring. Always check your facts, but today, Wednesday, March 22nd, 2017, we're looking at sunny with a temperature falling to around 22 by 5 p.m. Breezy with a northwest wind, 15 to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 20 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 45 miles per hour today. So with that wind, it's very cold, and I have on my working gloves. Yeah, it works really good when I'm trying to press buttons on the inexpensive cam here. So tonight, let's carry on with the extended forecast here. Tonight, clear with a low around 11. Wind chill values as low as -5 degrees. Blustery with a northwest wind, 15 to 25 miles per hour. With gusts as high as 45 miles per hour. That was courtesy of the National Weather Service. So what I do is I go to their site, and you click in your zip code area, and you can check the weather hassle-free, right there at the National Weather Service. Also, I did some other fact checking today. So currently, Donald J. Trump is President of the United States. He's also the head of state and head of government of the United States. The President directs the executive branch of the federal government and is Commander-in-Chief of the United States Armed Forces. Yeah, I found that information right there on the internet. Currently, the Governor of Maine, Paul LePage, is the Chief Executive of the state of Maine. And I also did a little more fact checking. Currently, the national debt of the United States is the amount owed by the federal government of the United States. It is approximately $20 trillion. But go ahead and check your facts. So, getting ready for this morning's commute. I'm not listening to talk radio. It's my 6th day, so I wanted to get some basic information and spend some time getting ready to head out the door. So things went very well on day 6. I slept really good last night, and as a matter of fact, I slept on my pillow. And my pillow I purchased at Walmart. It cost me about $4.88. It's a great pillow, and my sheets, they were about 10 bucks, nice and clean. So I don't need any pillow talk, and I don't need to replace my sheets. Well, what on earth does that mean? Well, day 6 of no talk radio, and that is absolutely no talk radio. I cut the cord on the cable and all the cable news, and I'm detoxifying. And day 6, I find myself living without commercial breaks, and there are a few moments in my life where my radio, my truck radio, and my radio on the counter in my kitchen calls to me and says, please turn me on. And I just remind myself, I don't need any spot ads. I don't need any commercial breaks. My pillow is just fine. My sheets are fine. I'm sleeping well. My blood pressure is dropping. I haven't heard anybody in 6 days voice from my radio or the TV or berate anybody. I haven't been listening to commentators and contributors and callers in to the radio and berating each other. It's a new life for me. It's only going to be 30 days because I'm going to get right back into it. So look, you have a great Maine day. Day 6, no talk radio right here. And fun and sun, overcast, and very windy Portland, Maine. This is Frank Margell. And once again, if I strike a chord with you, go right ahead and send me a comment at frankmargell@youtube.com. I appreciate all your comments and upbeat shares. And if you, once again, spend a few minutes and send me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube page, I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you very much. And no matter where you are in the free world, you have a great Maine day. Thank you to all those who service this community, our country, and stand for freedom right here in the one true free world and the one true talk radio free Portland, Maine. This is Frank Margell. You have a great Maine day and take care. This is Frank out.